Something just dropped that the entire developer community can't stop talking about. And it's a game from 1987. After 39 years of waiting, NetHack 5.0 just released. The longest gap between major versions in gaming history. Why do developers still play a game older than most of them? Because NetHack isn't really a game. It's a ritual. Every roguelike you've ever played, Hades, Slay the Spire, Balatro, owes its existence to this ASCII dungeon crawler. It's literally in the Museum of Modern Art's permanent collection, and it's been built by volunteers for almost 4 decades. Version 5.0 introduces over 3,100 changes. 3,100 in a single release. The entire codebase was rewritten in modern C99. Compile times dropped, and it finally builds on every platform you can imagine. They embedded a full LUA runtime. That means anyone can mod NetHack now. Custom dungeons, custom monsters, custom mechanics. Gehenna, the hellish endgame, got completely reimagined. Lava floors, irregular rooms, mechanics that punish complacency. It still runs on an Amiga from 1985. It still runs on MS-DOS. And on your M3 MacBook. The same binary. And then they did something nobody saw coming. They added a first-person 3D mode. Inside the same game, there's a tutorial now. After 39 years of murdering newcomers, NetHack finally has a tutorial. The community is in tears. The systems are so interconnected that even the smartest AI agents fail to play NetHack. It humbles every model. Around the world, thousands of developers are playing NetHack 5.0 right now. Most are dying in the first 10 turns. Modern AAA games charge you $70 plus microtransactions. NetHack costs $0. And it's better. Every commit, every patch, every feature, written by someone who just loves the game. That's open source. That's the soul. And now, you can play it right in your browser. No installation. No account. Just type a URL and you're in. 39 years. 3,000 changes. One legendary game. Welcome to NetHack 5.0. Happy hacking.